Throughout history, humans have dreamed of communicating directly with machines using only their thoughts. Imagine a world where we could control computers, prosthetics, or even virtual avatars with the power of our minds. This is no longer science fiction but the emerging reality of brain-computer interfaces. BCIs represent a revolutionary leap in human-computer interaction. They hold the potential to transform our lives from restoring lost function to augmenting human capabilities. By bridging the gap between mind and machine, BCIs promise to reshape our future. Join us on this journey as we unlock the future of brain-computer interfaces. BCIs translate the electrical language of our brains into the digital language of computers. Our brains buzz with electrical activity from billions of neurons. BCIs capture these signals and transform them into commands. Sensors detect and record the brain's electrical activity, algorithms filter noise and identify patterns. Processed signals are translated into commands for devices. This allows users to interact with the world using thoughts. BCIs come in different flavors, each with its own advantages and limitations. These can be broadly classified into three main types: invasive, partially invasive, and non-invasive BCIs. Invasive BCIs involve implanting electrodes directly into the brain tissue, offering the highest signal quality but requiring surgery. Partially invasive BCIs are placed beneath the skull but outside the brain tissue, offering a balance between signal quality and invasiveness. Non-invasive BCIs, on the other hand, sit on the scalp like a cap, detecting brain activity through methods like electroencephalography. While non-invasive BCIs are the safest and easiest to use, they generally capture weaker brain signals. The choice of BCI type depends on the specific application and the user's needs. For example, invasive BCIs are currently the preferred choice for restoring lost motor function in paralyzed patients, while non-invasive BCIs are gaining popularity in gaming and entertainment applications. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and user-friendly BCIs emerging in the near future. The potential of BCIs to revolutionize healthcare is immense, offering new hope for patients with a wide range of neurological disorders and disabilities. Imagine a world where paralyzed individuals could regain control of their limbs, where stroke survivors could communicate their thoughts effortlessly, and where people with Parkinson's disease could find relief from their tremors. BCIs are already making significant strides in these areas, with researchers and engineers developing cutting-edge applications that were once considered science fiction. One of the most promising applications is in the field of neuroprosthetics, where BCIs are used to control artificial limbs or exoskeletons, allowing people with paralysis to regain mobility and independence. Beyond restoring lost function, BCIs also hold the potential to treat neurological disorders such as epilepsy, depression, and Alzheimer's disease. By stimulating specific areas of the brain or providing real-time feedback on brain activity, BCIs could help manage symptoms, improve cognitive function, and enhance the quality of life for millions of people worldwide. Section 5. Enhancing Abilities BCIs for a More Inclusive World. BCIs are not just about restoring lost function, they also have the potential to enhance our existing abilities and create a more inclusive world for everyone. Imagine a world where learning is effortless, communication is seamless, and our senses are heightened beyond their natural limits. In the realm of education and training, BCIs could personalize learning experiences, provide real-time feedback on student engagement, and even accelerate skill acquisition. Imagine athletes training their minds and bodies simultaneously, musicians composing symphonies with their thoughts, or surgeons performing complex procedures with unparalleled precision. BCIs could also break down communication barriers for people with disabilities, allowing them to express themselves more fully and participate more actively in society. By providing alternative communication pathways and assistive technologies, BCIs can empower individuals and foster a more inclusive and equitable world. Section 6. The Power of Thought. BCIs in Communication and Control. BCIs have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with our environment, enabling us to control devices and communicate our thoughts and intentions with unprecedented ease and precision. Imagine controlling your smart home with your mind, typing on a virtual keyboard without lifting a finger, or even driving a car using only your thoughts. While these applications may seem futuristic, they are rapidly becoming a reality thanks to advancements in BCI technology. Researchers are developing BCIs that can decode neural signals associated with speech, allowing people who have lost their ability to speak to communicate their thoughts directly. In the realm of gaming and entertainment, BCIs offer immersive experiences that blur the lines between reality and the virtual world. Imagine controlling your avatar in a video game with your mind, experiencing the thrill of a roller coaster ride without leaving your seat, or even sharing your dreams and emotions with others. Section 7. Learning and growing BCIs in education and training. The traditional education system, often criticized for its one-size-fits-all approach, could be transformed by the personalized learning experiences offered by BCIs. Imagine a classroom where each student's learning pace and style are not only accommodated but also optimized in real time. BCIs can monitor brain activity to gauge a student's engagement, identify areas of confusion, and even provide personalized feedback and guidance. This level of individualized learning can lead to improved knowledge retention, increased motivation, and a deeper understanding of complex concepts. Beyond traditional education, BCIs hold immense potential in professional training and skill development. Imagine pilots honing their reflexes in realistic flight simulations controlled by their minds, surgeons practicing delicate procedures with enhanced precision, or musicians perfecting their craft through real-time feedback on their brain activity. Section 8. A new reality. BCIs in gaming and entertainment. The world of gaming and entertainment is on the cusp of a revolution, driven by the immersive and interactive experiences offered by BCIs. Imagine stepping into a virtual world where your thoughts directly control your avatar, your emotions influence the game's narrative, and your senses are heightened beyond their natural limits. BCIs can track brain activity to gauge a player's emotional state, allowing game developers to create dynamic and personalized gaming experiences that respond to the player's feelings in real time. This level of immersion can lead to a deeper connection with the game world and its characters, blurring the lines between reality and virtuality. Beyond gaming, BCIs have the potential to revolutionize how we experience movies, music, and art. Imagine watching a film where the narrative adapts to your emotions, listening to music that responds to your mood, or even creating art with the power of your mind. Section 9. Ethical Considerations Navigating the BCI Revolution. As with any transformative technology, the development and deployment of BCIs raise important ethical considerations. Privacy concerns top the list, as BCIs have the potential to access our most private thoughts and feelings. Safeguarding this information and ensuring it is not used without our consent is paramount. Ensuring equitable access to BCI technology is crucial to prevent exacerbating existing social and economic disparities. The potential for misuse of BCIs, such as for malicious manipulation or coercion, must be carefully considered and mitigated. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of BCIs, open and ongoing dialogue among scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public is essential to ensure responsible and beneficial development and use of this powerful technology. Section 10. The Road Ahead, Challenges and Opportunities in BCI Development. While the future of BCIs is bright with promise, several challenges must be addressed to fully realize their transformative potential. Improving the accuracy, reliability, and robustness of BCI systems is crucial, particularly for applications requiring precise control or communication. Developing less invasive and more user-friendly BCI interfaces is essential for widespread adoption, particularly in everyday settings. Addressing ethical concerns surrounding privacy, autonomy, and equitable access is paramount to ensure responsible and beneficial use of this powerful technology. Collaboration among researchers, engineers, clinicians, ethicists, policymakers, and the public is crucial to navigate these challenges and unlock the full potential of BCIs for the betterment of humanity. Section 11. A Future Intertwined, the Transformative Potential of BCIs. The journey into the world of brain-computer interfaces is just beginning, but the potential impact on our future is undeniable. As BCIs continue to evolve, we can envision a future where the lines between our minds and machines blur, opening up a world of possibilities. Imagine a world where communication is effortless, knowledge is accessible to all, and human potential is limitless. BCIs have the power to reshape our world. empowering us to overcome limitations, enhance our abilities, and connect with each other and our environment in profound new ways. As we stand on the cusp of this technological revolution, it is our collective responsibility to approach it with both excitement and caution, ensuring that BCIs are developed and used ethically and responsibly for the benefit of all humankind.